This is a really old Lennox air conditioner. Just got permission from the woman inside the business to make a video of it. I am actually parked right here. Came into Doylestown, gonna have some dinner with the parents, then I'm gonna go and meet my friend at Puck, and his band's gonna perform. And I parked right over there, and I came across this air conditioner. Actually, I don't know if it's an air conditioner or a heat pump, but I'd say it's probably 40, 50 years old, easy. It's in decent shape. There's no data sheet on it, unfortunately. And took me a few minutes to find it. You'll see here, there's no... I thought this was the fan grill right here. This is actually the condenser right here. The fan is actually underneath here. Very interesting design. I've never seen one like it before. And all the guts of the unit, like the compressor and all that, are back here. Wish this thing had a data sheet on it. So yeah, hopefully one of these days I'll come back here and find it running. Wish I could find a data sheet. Trying to get a shot of this unit from all angles. See if I can see the data sheet. This battery's about to run out. Can't find a data sheet. Just this. And I don't even know if that is from the original people that installed it, or if that's a contractor that was just recently hired to do it, because the sticker looks fairly new. Yeah, that's all I could find on it. That and that. And it looks like a refrigeration component almost, but I think it's either a central air conditioner or a ductless unit. I think it's more than likely a whole house central air conditioner. Alright, so thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out.